Many people that work too hard in life aren't necessarily chasing money. They're chasing later. Later, when there's enough time. Later, when I've had enough success. Later, when there's enough money to enjoy life. The problem is, for many people, later just never comes. Last week, we began looking at the top 5 regrets of the dying, a book by Bronnie Ware, an Australian palliative care worker. I'll put a link to that first video up there. This week, we're going to move on to regret number 2. I wish I hadn't worked so hard. The people with this regret were good people. They were hard workers. They made money. They were good providers for their family. They had success. They had money, but somewhere along the line, they lost connection with friends, connection with family, connection with themselves. Some of these people died alone. Others realized their mistake in time to restore those connections, but often didn't leave themselves any time to enjoy those connections. This video isn't meant to be anti-work. Work is not the problem. The danger is unexamined work, focusing too much on things that don't really matter in the great scheme of things. These people don't regret the effort that it took to become successful. They regret becoming successful at the wrong things and neglecting what really matters the most in life. Now, if you're not retired yet, this really matters to you because you might use the excuse that some of these people used and later regretted, saying just a few more years, just one more big project, one more big success, and then I'll retire. In one very sad case, a man said this after working long past when it was necessary, and then, just as he decided to retire, his wife passed away. What is work quietly pushing out of your life? Time with your family, time spent having fun with them is not optional. I did a video a while back on the importance of play, even in the life of an adult, and again, I'll put a link to that up there. But without play, life might be efficient, it might be respectable, it might be successful, but it's also very, very small. Look, if there's no room in your life for what really matters, the problem is not time. The problem is how you're designing your life. What we get from life is what we focus on. If we focus on status, if we focus on approval, on money, on success, we will get that, but we may lose connection. We may lose presence. We may lose ourselves. Misplaced focus over time will always lead to regret. If you're already retired and you're thinking, maybe I worked too hard, this isn't about guilt, and it's not too late to make some changes. This video is about what is possible. It's possible to reconnect with your family. It's possible to reach out to old friends. It's possible to make new friends to bring that connection back into your life. There is still time in your life to find something that's fun, something that is light, something that is life-giving. Fun isn't childish. It's proof that you're still alive. Personally, I have 2 mottos. One is, just say no to mediocrity. Just say no to the humdrum of life, even if it seems to be bringing you success. Say yes to things that make life worth living. Say yes to the things that money can help you do. Say yes to the things that time can help you do. You don't want to wake up someday wishing, I wish I hadn't wasted all that time at work. I wish I had done what mattered the most. So start today. And if you would like to hear more videos like this, then please hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching today. See you next time. And in the meantime, here's some other videos you just might find helpful.